yeje ibeola banku doko long fonni kewol sementi yalom bari idabe warlim politiko kono bakana biri tata fo yaaje ko ete bakari nyante dadu na politiko kono yalon ko parti jamal le gambia inata UDP choose pour ka bula UDP noma mune ye nyaabo UDP la kuro me dundije
ya fabrama ntela baluo nga based on principles la even na friendship is based on principle even na badia with my family is based on principle hanin mo bota kono killing comme lamani fatmane satumane no la bota kono killing but come even if you guys are my cousins if I'm going to deal with you people there will be no biasness I'll deal with you people by power ninga nge fabuye wol be gena genuine la than me doing it for satumane I will do it for fabrama ninga nge doye wol be gena nafa warda pour nga ken la mane I will do it for that person but the people see me as a very funny person you understand so they nabalu nga this life is very short we are in life today whether tomorrow will be in existence will be allowable ala kulli al so no matter the place yemen soto no matter yen nafulu jumala soto no matter the assets yemen soto e bebe tule ko male ini mune kata ila kaburo gon walam yemuneke
yes
yemune fonu njang yemuneke nun jang ini mo torne kata
bayla baro
so I put that as my number one priority I don't do savings. Only thing that I have, I share with the people. I will not wait until you have your problem, you come and tell me your problem to solve it for you. No. If I see
based on those
principles,
yes.
Wale in Samba, United Democratic Party. Because I look at the party, a party is an institution, it's not owned by an individual. Ala institutional nying ay nyafale. And then a party also needs to have a head. Who is that head? That figure also is very important. Because if the head is rotten, the whole body is zero. The head is where the brain is. The head is where the eye is. The head is where the ears is. The nose, the mouth. The head is everything.
Sure.
Without the head, there is no physical being. You understand? So the head there is A&M Usainu Dabo. I went ngala biography and read. You understand? To know exactly who is this individual. What impact has he made in the society? How is his integrity? How is his honesty? How is his loyalty? Honestly, this man, has earned my respect. You understand? To serve as his subordinate. Purka noma kajeko Gambia nanato menti. This is why I endorse.
It's very interesting because so your principle, your assessment will beke.
Sure.
In terms of his personality.
Yes.
Kajeko nying for a jaritale kake nyaton ko de kabula noma.
Perfect.
Okay. But at the end, the objective is puru amari kake president. So bring ita dundaje.
Yeah.
Alia test once, twice, 3 times. Ita fon e kadro faye. Among gagné no kaka president fo wo mom mira do di la ka fa mira nga kuja mu jiki jamal le soto but saying afele another thing na je me alon ko it looks he is not a winnable candidate.
Perfect.
At any point does that come into your mind?
Well, it has never come into my mind. Mol kanala fan ko ideal fonye kaje ko maybe be jele fon fole as an example. That is why we are where we are as a Gambians. That is why, in most cases, we don't attain success in whatsoever we desire. Eka gameno jibiya eka kapentati. So ma eka welda manode. Sinina eka driver. You understand? Because munem, I carpenting try ajeko it doesn't work. I will atara ke welding manode. I often try ajeko it doesn't work. Atara don't drive yara. We don't have, a target. You understand? I give you a typical example of my friend and a classmate, Ibrahim Fofana. We graduated from Nusrat 2003. From 2003, every year until the 7th year, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2009, every year, Qatar American Embassy for visa, student visa. 2003, I refuse. 4, I refuse. 5, I refuse. 6, I refuse. 7, I refuse. 8, I refuse. 9th, I come to why are you always coming here and you have been refused? This is my life dream and it is my desire unless and until I get it or I am dead. What cancel because of that? I visa India.
So
he went to the US.
Yes.
And then before 1 year,
yes,
he got papers. He is even coming here every year. Another uncle me as still over here 30-something years answer among
So it is all of your life dreams
good
to make your party leader a president.
So Ousainou Darboe,
yes,
it is not Ousainou Darboe as an individual that is not winning.
Yes,
it is the United Democratic Party. You understand?
That is losing.
And then who are the people that are selling this product that is Ousainou Darboe, is the product that we are selling to the Gambian people. Jumal lel ba wafi kan wala party militanol ni kata fe on wafi ida jiko ifor kumo you understand ila relationship with people yenta ka korsi back. If these things are perfect kata product men wafi song, it's very easy for you to sell it. Man, if you understand.
Yes.
If you are, if for example, muso, for example, like ice le wafi, ajibe neng atla la relationship with people is very cordial in the community. Akata wafi dement, and I feel like dorong ice baker bang. Man, if you understand.
Yes.
Despite the quality of that ice, but yeah, somebody me alonko feel arrogant. Yeah, anya masa benen, anya ma ba kukela. Akafa me wafi, people feel they fear to even go near to him. So
in short, we
should blame ourselves.
There is a question mark over the conduct of your party members.
The party militants and the executive, the whole position to sell out Ousainou Darboe. They were not doing as expected. It may find the integrity de daku. It may find comport no well to be able to sell their product. Ousainou doesn't have a problem.
Okay.
Ousainou is a loyal individual. He's a landed person and he's a highly regarded and respectable person and he has very good track records in this country. So he is sellable.
So let's assume that Ousainou has no problem.
Yes.
Okay. And then there is a problem within the membership of the party.
Yes.
Okay. So now going back, Ousainou is the leader of that party.
Yeah.
So in short, he has a responsibility to ensure that the membership carries or the membership we can multi-many alongo is atala yamaro noma e kana ka multi-many tinya.
That is why I'm going.
Yes.
Honesty, loyalty and integrity, these three cannot go. Sabo be first taraje pour success in anything.
Yes.
Ani digo. Eta force no la pray karang. The interest must be there first. If the child is interested to learn, it go and study. The child will go and study. But if the interest is not there, in fact, pretend ko, you go and study. I pretend that he is reading, he or she is studying, while he or she is not studying. It you will leave like a book and labela.
So the interest is not in the membership of the UDP.
People that are being given positions to sell out the party on campaign ground, we are not there for the interest of the party and the party leader.
People like who?
Well, many are resigned to sign. They have shown it.
Jumale resigned.
The people that were mandating the positions.
Like who?
Like Karafa will see. Karafa, I mean, you cannot expect a campaign manager of a party to resign because a particular individual was not endorsed as a party as a candidate. It means automatically atla interest mantara purindo eta.
But it could also mean that the party does not accommodate the party's interest does not align with his interest anymore. That is why he left.
No, you can't say that because nothing changes in the interest.
Yes.
If I told Natra party that a Congress letter, they bring in a constitution, principles and policies of the party change it. And now they resign that. And I will even upload them. They resign based on principles. There has been some changes in the party's ethics, party's principles, conduct, he resigned. But this is about what? An individual. A flag bearer is being chosen, and they resign.
So your campaign manager resigned.
Yes.
Your national organizing secretary resigned. Your media and communications.
And these are the three most important individuals when it comes to selling our candidate. Check it. The campaign manager is responsible for the campaign program. The national organizing secretary is responsible for all the organizing, all the programs. Man, if I understand. The media is propaganda.
Yes.
If you understand.
Yes.
So these three are the key most important aspects when it comes to campaign and selling your candidate.
And to add the fourth, one of your prominent youth organizers also, executive members also resigned. And people, people within some of your regional structures also resigned.
So when you la folo mantara jenu. E comme man la fi nana buga la fi.
Yes.
Man of understand. Some people left la nung.
Ibal dan nankana
nung. Up to 2021, they were interested. Yeah, no, but after 2021, the interest is not there already. Well, now they already have something that is cooked. Let us go into the Congress. If our candidate is being chosen, then we move on. If our candidate is not chosen, we resign and part. This was the policy, and they implemented, and I respect them for that.
But